Hello, Disha. Welcome to the very first lesson of the Tamil Express 10-hour module.
Thank you, Jasper. Thank you for having me.
Yes. We will start with 5 sounds. You just have to remember 5 sounds. The first sound is na.
Na,
The second sound is pann.
pann,
The third sound is re.
re.
So the first 3 sounds. Let's see the first 3 sounds. Now, say the first 3 sounds together, please.
Na, pann, re.
Yes, Amma. So now you have to you can put any English verb in between the first sound and the second sound,
Okay.
and you can make a sentence. Sentences like, for example, in English, I am cycling, I am waiting, I am calling, I am cooking, I am running, I am organizing a meeting, I am making ice cream.
Okay.
All of that you can say
Okay.
with these 3 sounds.
Wow.
And one English verb in it.
Okay. Okay.
Can you believe it?
I want to
Can you try it?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'd like
Why
to
don't
try.
you go ahead and try it?
Na, cook, pann, re.
Yes.
Na, wash, pann, re.
Yes, I'm washing.
Na, bake, pann, re.
I'm baking.
Na, dogs wash, pann, re.
I'm washing the dogs.
Yeah. Na, wait, pann, re.
I'm waiting.
Na, call, pann, re.
I'm calling.
Yeah.
Good. So you know so many things to say in in Tamil in
Yes.
just a few minutes.
Yes.
Good. Now we made all these sentences in present tense.
Right.
Things that you're doing right now. Now let's see with these the 2 more sounds left, right? With those 2 sounds, let's see how we can make sentences in past tense and future tense.
Okay.
Okay. Now you said na, pann, re.
Right.
No, there is a very prominent R sound there, right? Re. Now, for future tense, you remove the R sound and you put V.
When.
V for victory. When.
When.
Yes. And you can say everything like I will cook, I will wait, I will call,
Okay.
I will exercise.
All actions in the future tense.
Yes.
So na exercise pann ve,
Yes.
na wait pann ve, na call pann ve, na cook pann ve, na bake pann ve.
Perfect. Yep. Yes, I just took a water break. Now, how to say the same thing in future tense?
Past.
In past tense. You remove the V and put N for November.
No. November.
N for November.
N.
So it is na, pann, ne.
Na pann ne.
Yes.
Na pann ne.
I cooked, I called, I slept.
Na sleep pann ne.
Yes, perfect.
Na cook pann ne.
Yes.
Na wait pann ne. Na
Yes.
bake pann ne.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. That's good.
Yeah.
That's it. You learned to say things with 5 sounds. That's the first lesson.
Yeah, it's a lot of Tamil actually, if you think about it.
Yes. That's a lot of Tamil. Okay, now I will explain a little more of this method. No, we're kind of sort of hacking. Right? So let's what is happening here is this is not just happening in Tamil alone. It is happening in other Indian languages. This same pattern is what you find in Hindi, in Malayalam, in Kannada, in Telugu. You will find the same pattern. So what is happening is the pann is do.
Right.
It's a verb, do. And this pann becomes an auxiliary verb for the English verb.
Right.
The pann becomes the auxiliary verb for the English verb, and therefore we are able to make a sentence in Tamil.
Right.
You know?
Right.
That is what we are doing. So it is incredible. It's very interesting. And just before we sign off, finish the class, two things I would like to share with you.
Okay.
In Indian languages, we don't have prepositions. We have postpositions.
What is that?
We don't have on the table. We have table on. You know, we don't go to the market. We market to go.
Okay.
Okay, and we always, the second thing is we always finish the sentence with a verb. So the sentence structure is subject, object, verb.
Okay.
This is what you have to retain in your head for the first lesson.
Okay. So can I just summarize everything?
Yes, please.
So one was the lesson itself, which
Yeah.
was the 5-sound lesson,
Yeah.
where you told me these sounds: na, pan, re for I am doing, na, pan, ne for I was doing,
I was doing, yes.
and na, pan, ve for I will do.
Yeah.
This was the lesson.
Yeah. It is not I was doing. I want to correct you. It is not I was doing. It is now panne is I did.
I did. Okay.
Not I was doing. I did.
Okay. Ed. I cooked. I
Yes,
baked.
yes.
Okay. I am doing. I did. I was doing.
I will do.
I will do. And
Correct.
then what you also told me to remember, I think generally you meant in terms of how language that we are learning is going to progress, is to remember that in Indian languages, in Tamil, in many other Indian languages, we use postposition, not preposition, where we don't say on the table, we say the table on. That will be the structure that we will be following, right?
Yeah, that will be the structure that we will be following.
And the other thing you told me was that subject, that all sentences end with the verb.
Exactly.
The order is subject, object, verb.
Yes.
SOV.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So, thank you for your time, Disha. I will see you in class number 2, lesson number 2.
I look forward to it, Jazz.
Thank you. Thank you so much.